sisakhona la e-ICC la kwingqungquthela yamanzi njengamanje siphathele imeya imeya yethu Ngwezi izoke ithi ukusicabela kancane ngokuthi yona njengemeya yipi into abona izohlonyulwa ibona njenga nabo masipala nokuthi yipi ezohlonyulwa futhi umphakathi ozokwazi ukuhlinzekwa ngamanzi nezingqinamba ezikhona zamanzi. Sawubona bamngwezi.
Ninjani sisi?
Siyaphila njani? Yebo. Uhleli la netitshi lomgunyathi la kuMbusamedi. Igama lami nguZethu ngaphosa bazi kakhulu netitshi lomgunyathi. Kodwa ke umgunyathi okhona omuhle.
Oh okay. That's wonderful. Semthokeni.
Njengoba silana ke namhlanje ikuphi okubona kuzohamba phambili nokuzosiza nina njengomasipala nokuzosiza imphakathi?
Angiqale ngokusho ukuthi la engisuka khona emkhandleni waseMhlathuze. I-observation yami njengomeya ukuthi abantu noma imphakathi isikhule kakhulu ukwedlula imali umasipala onayo ongathuthukisa ngayo ingqalasizinda. Okusho ukuthi ngolimi lokwa-commerce i-demand is bigger than the supply.
Sure.
Futhi njengoba siwumkhandlu othola ama-investments amaningi kusho ukuthi in the next 5-10 years we will have this problem yabantu abaningi abazobe besuka endaweni ezahlukene bezela amathuba endaweni yaseMhlathuze ngoba vele i-area yethu i-area investment destination.
Yeah, kakhulu.
It's the same problem eshaye indawo yaseThekwini, the same problem eshaye indawo yase-City of Johannesburg. La uthola ukuthi imphakathi ikhula kakhulu kodwa ingqalasizinda nemali usayile nendala yayivele ikhona. So ke mhlambe premier esibonga kakhulu uMphemba ukuthi asihlelele summit namhlanje is to first raise lawo ma-observation kodwa bese sisesenzeni ke njengemkhandlu njengathi nje indawo la isibhekene khona nalezo inkinga lezi kakhulukazi indawo zakoSikhawini, indawo zakwaDlangezwa, kwaDube kanjalo njalo. Ukhona umsebenzi esiwenzayo khona. Izolo nje bengikhona lapha kule project esibiza nge-15 megaliter package plant lesihlose ngayo ukuthi si-increase umthamo wamanzi usuka ku-36 million amalitha every day. So increase ngo-15 million siyisa ku-51 million every day ngoba i-demand yaleyo area is 60 million liters a day of which nakhona so sashoda ngo-9 million kodwa amanzi ngeke kusaba nalento ukuthi ahamba usuku lonke azabuyiswe ngo-4 kodwa sazoba khona i-shortage yalo 9 million liters. Nengithi ke imali yokuqedela lokho asinayo ingakho le summit kuthina ibalulekile because lana kukhona zonke inhlaka including abantu abakwi-private sector who are willing ukuthi bapartnerisha ukuze kuthuthukiswe ingqalasizinda endaweni zethu njengomasipala.
Sisahleli nayo la imeya yaseMhlathuze umeya uXolani Ngwezi akushoyo nongikubona ebekade ngingacabanganga ngesikhathi ngisakhala ngamanzi nami ngibona ukushoda kwamanzi kodwa ku-clear if ethi abantu abaningi mase befudukele kuleyo ndawo especially bona njengoba benechweba befudubela bonke lapha la kunechweba khona akusabe kusanezelelo lamalitha abafikayo ukuthi bona sebengaphezulu kwamanzi asupplyayo bese kube khona i-shortage bakhona. So ama-plans akhona angakwazi ukuhlinzeka lokho ngoba ugcina sekuphazamiseka wonke umuntu. Nantu-ke lolu hlelo luqani nohlelo olushoyo ukuthi niyalizama ukulisebenza ukuze kukwazi ukunezelela amalitha amamiliyoni.
Endaweni yakwaDube esikhaleni esenkosi lapha eWard 14 le project engikhuluma ngayo 15 megaliter package plant sizama ukulungisa lokho ngoba leyo area ayinayo nje kuphela imiphakathi namafeni inanama-TVET colleges inane-University of Zululand. I-University of Zululand makuqala lento ukuthi uNSFAS ungakwazi ukuthi mawunemqasho wena kwakho uhlalisa ama-students awasacontrola ukuhlala kuphi lapha bayakwazi ukukhokha direct kuwena. Ama-students e-University of Zululand angaphezulu ka-25,000.
Exactly.
Kanti ekuqaleni ama-students ko-University of Zululand abeba around 10,000. I-TVET college in the past 15 years ibingasebenzi ayivaliwe ama-TVET colleges.
Yes.
Ngesikhathi evulwa kuqhamuke ama-communities amasha azo-edda i-demand kodwa uthola ukuthi ingqalasizinda lezo zinto lezi esibuka zona nengithi-ke kwezinye indawo for instance i-area sentambanana thina kithi Mhlathuze sinayo i-business plan to the tune of 595 million rand approved by i-Department of Water and Sanitation.
Okay.
But ayikakasifakeli imali ukuthi siqale si-implemente le project esizokwazi ukuhlinzeka abantu ngamanzi ahlanzekile noma imizi ewu-29,500. What I'm saying is ama-observations amaningi ileyo ukukhulisa iy'nombolo ikakhulukazi endaweni zamakhosi ngoba abantu across mobuka indlela abamigrate ngayo internally within the country
Exactly.
nakomasipala abasuke endaweni zamakhosi beyokwakha endaweni ezingaphansi kwamasipala basuka la edolobheni eThekwini bayokwakha koMgababa basuke la edolobheni bayokwakha koSiphingi basuke koSiphingi bayokwakha indawo bafuna ukwakha endaweni ezingaphansi kwamakhosi. So lezo indawo lezo uthuthuka kakhulu abantu bande kodwa ingqalasizinda kulezo indawo is still a challenge ngoba indawo ezazi neglected since siqhamuka udabeni ukuthi kwakuyikhona indlela ezakuhlukaniswa ngazo abantu ukuthi bahlala kuzo. So all I'm trying to say is sikhona ama plans esikhashana esifushane njengokuthi la khona esingakakwazi sibe nengqalasizinda khona ayikho enye option esingayenza looking at isimo sezimali ngaphandle ukuthi sifake amanzi sibanikeze abantu ngama-water tankers esingasho ukuthi-ke iyona ndlela esifuna ukuthi amanzi wathole ngayo akuyona kodwa isixazululo sesikhashana ngoba kusanama-projects amanye siwa-implementayo kwezinye indawo nofanele sikwazi ukwaqeda. So ukuba khona kwama-investors amanye akhona la aphila in the sector yamanzi kithina sikubona kuyinto ebalulekile ngoba will rub shoulders and engage and avail ama-projects esinawo that we think are bankable projects bangakwazi ukuthi bazopartnerisha nathi khona bakwazi ukuthi ba-implemente and then kubonakala ukuthi sikhokhelana kanjani ngoba uhulumeni alone umengameli nje umemezele 156 billion othi ufuna kuyoxazulula ngazo iy'nkinga zamanzi ikakhulukazi i-water infrastructure. Kodwa umengameli wayesethi 154 billion out of 156 uya kuma-metros, which means thina njengomasipala kancane we will share a 2 billion rand. Ama-projects lawo engikhuluma ngawo nje wasesikhaweni nalawo engikhuluma ngawo wonke thina mangatrust imali esiyidinga zosixazulule zonke iy'nkinga we need 3 billion rand. And we don't have that money. If we were supposed to have anything ngakhuluma ngokuthi ama-funding nani is less than 100 million rand that comes to the city of Mhlathuze. You must look at the existing infrastructure, look at new projects and balance all those things. So I'm trying to say really this meeting is very important and I really thank the Premier and the provincial government for actually organizing this. We know with the projects as now and the challenges as corner with the people willing to invest. We are a municipality ephethe imali kahle. I know. So people should not fear. People should not fear to come and invest or partner with us in the implementation of our infrastructure project. We have also gone out as a municipality to look for what is called now in the National Treasury. There is something called Triple Ps, Public-Private Partnership.
Okay.
Which ama-private investors angaqhamuka ezopartnerisha nani uma kuphela nithuthukisa ini ingqalasizinda bese niyabona nikhokhelana kanjani. We've already started that process. I'm not sure whether some of them who are here have actually come on board to say we are available. But if they are not, we'll avail to them to say, here we are. We are not a bad municipality. We are actually a good municipality, and we want to address infrastructure issues.
Uyayincoma la uyoncoma mpela uMhlathuze umasipala seMhlathuze ukuthi wenza kahle nami ngeke ngabona kushiwo kuthiwa iwona the best municipality okwazi ukusebenzisa imali ngendlela efanele. Siyabonga kakhulu lapho. Kodwa ke okusala ukuthi abantu kufanele baqonde bakunderstand futhi ukuthi ama-water tank awakazi ukuphuma manje. Kodwa njengoba kunale summit kufunakala lawo ma-solution azoqhamuka ukuze kwazi ukuthi uplanelwe isikhathi eside ukuthi amanzi abe khona. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Sibonga kakhulu Jiji Lomgunyathi.
Siyabonga.